The 5E's forecasting hazardous conditions. The first E we're going to be talking about is engage. This segment typically focuses on introducing the topic through discussion and piquing student interest. For my lesson, it included students discussing weather and temperature before discussing severe weather. The discussion of severe weather is how it looks and how it might affect certain areas more than others, like certain areas around the country or certain areas around the world. The Explore segment usually focuses on exploring the activity in depth on their own or with their classmates. For my lesson, this was station activities set up for each severe weather type, like hurricanes, tornadoes, blizzards, thunderstorms. It could even be sandstorms or hail and things like that. In each station, they see different texts and pictures on each type, and they get to write down the response to specific thought-provoking questions on a data sheet. This is like a list of questions they see and they know what they're doing. They go into each activity, they know what they're supposed to be focused on. The Explain segment is a segment that lets students put the recorded findings into their own words and share it with the group. For my lesson, this meant students got to pretend to be weather forecasters and explore a specific type of severe weather. They presented their findings from the Explore segment to the class while using a map to show where their severe type of weather might occur. For the elaborate portion of the 5E's, students usually think about the bigger picture and see how the material might fit into the real world. For my lesson, this meant students get to bring the discussion of hazardous conditions home to their families, friends, and community. They get to discuss what they can do to prepare for severe weather and what their home does personally to prepare. This could be weather stripping, adding extra things to their home to protect it. The Evaluate portion of the 5E's is a segment that revolves around assessing the student on the information they have gained so far. For my lesson, this meant students got assessed on hazardous conditions through the presentation of their material, data charts, and ability to convey information. It's pretty similar to the weather forecasting, but this is an actual assessment. This was the 5E's on forecasting hazardous conditions. Thank you.